guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm really glad to be bringing you this extra video this week. It is a Dollar Tree haul, and when I went in Dollar Tree just to get something that, just run in and pick up one little thing, I saw all this and it just was like, my mind blew. I couldn't believe it. So I'm going to save the best for a little bit towards the end. But I picked up 13 of these little like wall art decor pieces with just various things on the front. They're pretty, but that's not why I bought them. I bought them to do a DIY with, okay? So I'm not going to show you all 13 of those, all right? Then while I was in there, they had this really cute, they have their St. Patrick's Day stuff out. And I thought this looks so festive with the green and then the white glitter. I just loved it when I saw it, okay? And then I picked up 2 of these hearts. They're plastic and they come with some string inside. You can make garland if you want to out of them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I have some thoughts, but I'm not positive. Okay, and then I saw these. Now, they're the only 2 that I saw in my store. It's this really cute woman, and she has this really pretty tulle skirt dress like on. I thought that was so unusual. And then they had it in the yellow. She has the yellow tulle dress with the really pretty sparkles right here. Okay, and this one is trimmed in like a whitish silver, and this one is trimmed in gold. All right, I can't wait. I might as well show you. Okay, look at what I found. Okay, this was with their fairy garden things, okay? And this is just based on sweets. It just really, I think they've really knocked it out of the park with this. This is like a base, and you can see like the icing dripping down and the little sprinkles and everything. Okay, I got 2 of these. They're just alike. And they're kind of hefty, really. Then, get ready for it. Look at this. Is this not precious? It looks exactly like it's a waffle cone with probably ice cream with the cherry on top and a little piece of candy. And it says sweet. And it's all glittered. And it's so adorable. It's not really big, but I loved that. Okay, and then ice cream. Can you believe this? $1. I don't know. I really don't. It has the ice cream on top. It says ice cream. And this looks like another waffle cone. And I love the pastel colors that they're doing. It's so cute, and the little wheels even, okay? And I'm not done, okay? Look at this. One of the little candy pieces here, and the icing swirl there and around the door. And then on top again, you have like a little, either like a sprinkle or maybe like a little cherry that may be down in it. Look at all that beautiful glitter. And it comes off just a little bit on my hand. It's not coming off a lot. And then we have this one. Wouldn't these have been great for Christmas? Like to do a gingerbread kitchen? Oh my gosh. But this is adorable. You could do a lot with it. And same principle. It's got the little like sprinkles, candy, waffle cone, and all that luscious glitter. It makes me hungry. And I love how this little porch is. It's so precious. And then I picked this up. I think I've seen this one in Dollar Tree before. I have never seen these. I don't think they've had them before. I could have missed them, but I believe these are new finds. Okay, now I have seen this before, but I thought it incorporated all those colors so nicely. And then I picked this little bird up, and it just said fairy crossing with the flower. I just thought that was really cute. And then what's a fairy crossing without something for the little fairies to sit in? That is such a pretty little chair with the flowers and the wood top. I just love that. And then they were not through with this theme. Look at this. Fairy garden miniatures. Look at this. It's like ice cream sundaes. I love it. This has like almost like a candy cane coming out of the top. This has a little straw. This has a cherry on top. Is that not adorable? I can't believe it. And then the little gnomes all have candy in their hands. He has like a lollipop. That one has ice cream. And then a big old lollipop right there. That is super precious. And they weren't through. Look at this. Once again, this says welcome on like a big lollipop, or it could be a balloon. And then this is a big old swirly lollipop. And these are like candy canes. These, I'm telling you. And then one more item to go with those. Look at these. These look like flowers, but they're stacked to look like candy. And these look like candy hearts. And this is just like that swirly candy with all that white icing. These are just, when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have them all, okay? And I got all the different types that my store had, okay? Then I saw, naturally I just picked up these. I get these craft sticks. Anytime I go in there, you get 60. And I thought it's always good. You never know when you want to use it. Now, I hadn't seen this in there either. Crafter Square Adhesive Cork. And that is pretty large, as you can see. So this Crafter Square line that they're carrying, oh my gosh, okay? All right, then I picked this up because Easter is going to be here eventually. And these little bunnies, I thought they were real cute. You got 5 pieces of these wooden bunnies. And then wood craft cubes. You get 36 pieces of this. And they're pretty wide. There's 2 to a thing, but they almost look like Scrabble tiles, okay? And then I got some of this metal decor here. I got the pack that just says, Happy Easter and Blessings. And they had another pack, I don't remember what they said, but they were really cute. Then I saw this, Tea Time. And then it says, wishing you a day full of joyful moments. That is precious. You could do so much with this. I hope you can see. Let me take it out. It's still kind of, it's just so shiny. Look how pretty that is. I love the little teapot with the flowers and then the cups. I just think this is really cute. Then I saw this Forever in Time metallic marker, and it is white. And I opened it to try it out, and it does come off nicely when you put it down. So I'm going to be using this relatively soon. You cannot beat what they're having in their craft section. Then Crafter Square has craft clamps. And you get 6 of these. And I tested them. They are very secure when you clamp them. This would be great to work on little projects. I cannot wait. And then I saw some more, I got one more Valentine card. I thought that tree would be gorgeous in a planner with all those hearts coming off. And then that bow. And then right in here, I know you can't tell, but this is actually cut in. That heart is cut into that tree. And then this is what the inside looks like, and then the back. So I love that. Then look at these rhinestone little stickers. Those are so cute. For spring, you could do so much with these. I love butterflies, and they're so colorful. And this one is different from this one. So in effect, you get two different ones. Then I thought this would be cute for a planner. It's just all about baking. It says fresh baked, and it has flour and an apron and just goodies. I thought, and a rolling pin. I thought that looked fun. Now when I saw these, I hadn't seen these before either, and I picked up 3 of these. These are rub-on transfers. Look at that. That would be gorgeous for a lot of things. Look at that. You get so much, and it tells you how to do it on the back. If you don't have a Cricut, right here you go. You could do a lot with this. So I picked up 3 of these. And then I picked up 1 of these. I thought these were very unusual. It's like unicorns. I thought that swan was really sweet. And just all the little animals. I loved how that looked. So that concludes my haul from the Dollar Tree. I hope you're able to get some of these little adorable fairy items. They are precious. You could use them Christmas. You could use them for a lot of different things. And like I said, these, oh my, there's so many things. It seems like every time I go into Dollar Tree, and one of you mentioned that to me as well, they're putting out so many new items. It is just impossible to keep up. But I'm loving what they're coming out with this year. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.